Hey guys, thanks for stopping in and checking out the channel here today. I was at work today and I was doing a brake job on a Jeep Renegade, and I thought it'd be helpful to share a little bit of information with you guys. It pretty much pertains to most Chrysler products with the electric parking brakes on the rear. If you wanted to do rear brakes on it, you have to put the calipers in a brake service mode. You can't just compress them or try and turn them in, or you'll ruin the actuators on the calipers. So I thought I would share with you how to actually put them in service mode without a scan tool or anything like that. It's pretty quick, simple, and easy. So I'll go ahead and show you here real quick. The first thing you're going to need to do, of course, is you need to get in the vehicle, and you're going to need to turn the key on. So we'll go ahead and turn the key on. And then you're going to have to do this through the radio. So let's show you the radio here real quick. Alright. Once you are at the radio on this model, you need to hit the More button. Oh, there we go. Alright. More. And then you're going to want to go to Settings. And then, let's see here. Once you're on Settings, you're going to go to Brakes. And then it'll tell you Brake Service Mode. And then, do you want to put it in service mode? Yes. And then the calipers will retract. And then once you're there, you can turn the key off and go do your brakes. But when you're done, then all you have to do is turn the key back on, and then put your foot on the brake and apply the parking brake. And then it'll pop up and it'll tell you brake service exit complete. And that's all you got to do to get them in and out of brake service mode. So that's pretty simple. So I hope that was helpful. If you guys liked the video, don't be afraid to hit the like button, and don't be afraid to subscribe. You know, I like to put channels out or videos out to try and help you guys. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button and go ahead and share it. So I appreciate you guys watching, and have a good day.